Okay, so discuss natin itong past board exam problem sa HGN. A vertical triangular gate with base width of 500 mm and altitude of 1,200 mm is submerged in water with its vertex at the water surface and lower base horizontal. Drawing mo natin yung figure para ito yung water surface natin. Sabi daw is vertex nasa water surface. Ito yung vertex mo and yung lower base mo ay horizontal. So pag ito yung ating drawing. No? Kasi ano, walang binigay na figure, no? So, nakadepende siya sa problem kung paano. O kaya, since ano naman, kung titignan kasi natin yung tanong dito, okay, in meters. So, para mas madali na lang, gawin na lang natin meters yung dimension. So, instead na 1,200 mm yung height, 1.2 meters na lang. Ito ay 0.5 meters. Okay? What? Total force acting on one side of the gate in Kn. So, hydrostatic force lang siya, di ba? Ito yung ating hydrostatic force. Kaya ano uling formula hydrostatic force? It is simply gamma h bar A. Okay? F is equal to unit weight since water naman to, so 9.81 times h bar. Triangle to, okay? Okay? Ating h is from the water surface. Okay, vertical. So that is 2/3 since triangle siya, di ba? Times 1.2. So ito yung ating h bar. Wait, drawing lang natin. Ito yung ating F. Then ito yung ating h bar. Okay? Center of pressure. Okay? Yung F natin, di ba? Nag-act siya sa center of pressure. Okay? Then yung distance ng center of pressure and yung ating h bar is E, yung ating eccentricity. Okay? Pero mamaya pa natin isa-solve, no? Dito muna tayo sa total force. Okay, 2/3 ng height natin times area, so that's area is 1/2 times base times height. Okay, so ano yung ating F? So, A-type lang natin sa calculus, mabilisan lang. That's 9.81 times 2/3, 1.5, 1.2 times 1/2 times 0.5, then 1.2 ulit. That is and 2.35. Okay, so 2.35. 2 so isama natin yung ano. Yan. Okay, so base sa choice natin, ang sagot ay letter B sa number 1. Okay, compute. Number 2 na, compute the distance from the center of gravity to the center of pressure. Okay. So ito na yung sasabi ko na yan yung eccentricity. Okay, kasi ito yung centroid natin, yung H bar, ay yung center of gravity, di ba? Center of gravity. Okay. Pero yung ating hydrostatic force, nag-act siya dun sa center of pressure na may distance E from center of gravity natin. So, ayun yung hinahanap natin, yung E, di ba? Kasi distance from center of gravity to the center of pressure. Ayun yung ating eccentricity. Okay? So, for our number 2, dito natin lagay. So, anong formula eccentricity? That is simply I over A times Y bar. Okay, so kung vertical lang naman to, no? Since stated sa problem, vertical lang siya, yung Y bar natin ay equal lang sa H bar. Okay? Mag-iiba lang yung Y bar kapag ka naka-incline kasi 'di ba? Ang Y bar pag naka-incline, H bar over sin theta. Di-divide ko pa siya ng sin. Pero pag vertical lang, H bar na rin yung Y bar natin. So E is equal to moment of inertia ng triangle, that's 1 over 36 base times height cube or H cube. Tama. Area natin, 1/2 base times height. H bar natin, same thing dito, no? 2/3 nung 1/2 or 0.8, lagay na lang natin. Okay, diba? So 2/3 times 1/2, that's 0.8. Yan. So, E natin ay, okay, type lang ulit natin. Okay, so this is 1 over 36. 1 over 36 times 0.5. 1.2 raised to the third. So, 1/2 lagay ko lang din 0.5 times 0.5. 1.2 times 0.8. Ayan na. 0.1. O, yan na yung ating distance ng center of gravity and center of pressure, 0.1. So, base sa ating choices, number 2, then yung letter C, 0.1. Next is number 3, compute the distance from the water surface to the center of pressure in meters. Okay, so ito, no? So, i-draw lang natin dito yung sa number 3. Ganyan, di ba? Ito yung ating H bar, tama. Ang tinatanong, distance from water surface. Kung ito yung water surface natin, pupunta sa center of pressure, di ba? Dito yung center of pressure kung saan nag-act yung ating hydrostatic force. Ito, center of gravity. Diba? So meaning dito, kung kukunin mo lang ng distance, basically, ang tinatanong lang sa number 2, distance from water surface over the center of pressure, H bar plus E lang, di ba? Kasi ito yung pinapahandle na distance yan, okay? Water surface, pupunta sa center of pressure. Let natin as D. So basically, H bar plus E. So D is equal to 2/3 ng 1, di ba? 0.8 plus yung E natin na 0.1. Okay, therefore, ang ating D ay 0.9 meters. Okay. 0.9 meters. Ito na yung ating final answer sa number 3. Distance from water surface to center of pressure, basically H bar plus eccentricity lang. 0.9. Okay, so gano'n na siya, no? Okay, hydrostatic force lang. So, yun lang. So, tuloy pa natin sa susunod.